72 AI video styles for learning. Here's how CortexOS works. With CortexOS, you can start with a single PDF or upload multiple documents, depending on what you want to turn into a learning video. Here, we choose the single PDF option and simply drag the document into the upload area. CortexOS automatically analyzes the file and splits the material into chapters and subchapters, so you don't have to organize everything manually. Next, we give the project a name and move to the visual style selection. This is where you can choose from 72 different video styles, ranging from whiteboard and classroom formats to manga, paper cutout, cinematic visuals, and many more. Once you find the style you want, select it and click Execute. CortexOS then uses your structured PDF content and chosen visual style to create the learning video.